The IIIF150 B3 has finally been announced, and of course it is one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones available today. The device is also one of the most affordable rugged devices of 2024. The phone is a rugged smartphone that is designed to withstand tough conditions. With its impressive specifications and durable build, it's a compelling option for those seeking a phone that can handle almost anything. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates and the best rugged phone deals. So without further ado, let's explore the top features of the IIIF150 B3. So under the hood, the B3 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, which is extremely disappointing because, come on, it's 2024 guys. The Helio G99 would have been a little bit better. Paired with the Helio G96 is 8GB of RAM that allows for multitasking, and the device has 256GB of storage that provides plenty of space for your apps, photos and videos. The phone features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display. 120Hz refresh rate delivers a buttery smooth scrolling experience, enhancing overall responsiveness. One of the unique features of the B3 is its circular-shaped customizable rear display. This innovative design adds a touch of personality and allows for quick access to notifications and other essential information. In terms of optics, the IIIF150 B3 boasts a powerful dual rear camera setup featuring a 100MP main sensor that captures stunning photos, while the dedicated 20MP night vision camera ensures impressive low light performance. The device also features an 8MP front-facing camera that's suitable for selfies and video calls. The B3 is backed by a massive 10,800 mAh battery that provides exceptional endurance, easily lasting multiple days on a single charge. The 30-watt fast charging technology ensures quick top-ups when needed. Just like other rugged devices, it is IP68 and IP69K certified, making it resistant to water, dust and shock. It also complies with the military standard 810H, guaranteeing its durability in extreme conditions. Additional features of the B3 includes NFC for contactless payments, a walkie-talkie function for communication in remote areas, OTG support for expanding storage, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face recognition, Bluetooth 5.0, and various navigation systems. So these are the top features of the IIIF150 B3. The device is expected to be sold for around $300 or maybe $250, but just like I do on the channel, I'll be looking out for a special deal or maybe any special discount sale that would enable you guys or anyone interested in this device to be able to get this device for a very affordable price. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So I'd like to hear what you guys think. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.